In this video, we are going to be dealing with two methods of dividing the circumference of a circle into 12 equal parts. Now, the first method, you are going to open to the radius of the circle, then you draw the circle. So in this case, I'm opening to the radius and I'm drawing it. Okay, I guess I have an adjustment. So I'm drawing it in little steps, so that's to reduce the errors. I made an error there, so I have to clean it. Then I have to there we go. So I've actually made an error here. So now this is the circle. Now in this first step, the process is carried out by making use of your set square. So what you are going to do is you are going to, first of all, you draw a horizontal and vertical diameter. Now you can take any angle as horizontal, but every other line must be referencing from that horizontal. So what I mean is that if you draw this horizontal, you don't need to make use of any measurement, especially if you don't have a t-square. Once you've drawn a random horizontal, so every other line must be drawn with respect to that horizontal. So now let's draw a vertical diameter. You will have a vertical diameter here. Now the next step is you still referencing the horizontal. You can see I'm still referencing it, transferring the horizontal down, then making use of my ruler below. So still referencing the horizontal, we're going to make use of your 30-60 degree set squares. You're going to draw in lines through the center of the circle. So in this case, we are drawing 60 degree, using 60 degree side. So we'll also turn over and use the 30 degree side. So I'm moving using the other side of the set square. So I'll draw this one. Then I'll turn it over now. Turning it over. So, but make sure your set square is still leaning against your ruler. Now using that, let it pass through the center of the center. So yes, so now let's move it to the right. There we go. Now voila, you can see we've divided the circumference of the circle into 12 equal parts, and this is a very accurate method. It's by far the most accurate. Now the next step is for us to number the equal parts. So let's number from 1 to 12. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now after numbering the parts, that is all to this construction. So this is the first method of dividing a circle into 12 equal parts. The second method, I'll just demonstrate it. You can easily practice it out. After drawing a circle like this, the second method involves you opening your radius to the compass to the radius of the circle. So in this case, now you draw an arbitrary horizontal diameter and then horizontal and vertical diameter. Then you begin to cut the circumference on opposite sides. So we cut up, we cut down. You go to the next edge of the diameter, cut up, cut left, cut right. So go to this side, up and down, up, left and right. So at the end of the day, you will get 12 equally spaced segments, sections. So you are going to join a line through each of those sections to the center of the circle. Then you have a division. So if you can try that, you can let me know in the comment section of this video and let us know whether you got the correct drawing.